Hi guys, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we will try to identify and analyze the possible reversal zones of the Nifty 50 index. As always, I will point the browser to my favorite website investing.com and type in Nifty 50. I will scroll down and click on the technical chart link. This will take me to the technical chart page. I will enable candlesticks and click on full screen mode. If we take a look at the chart, we can clearly see that we are right at the huge gap left on the chart in March. Let's draw two horizontal lines at the closing level of March 11, which is at 10,458.4, and the opening level of March 12th, which is at 10,039.95, to identify this huge gap of about 400 points. Nifty needs to pierce through this gap decisively to continue the up move. It tried doing that on Wednesday but failed. Now let's draw a fib retracement from the high of January 20, which is at 12,430.5, and the low of March 24th, which is at 7511.1, to identify the possible retracement zones. We can see that the 0.5 retracement is at 9970.8 and 0.618 retracement is at 10551.29. Nifty reversed close to the 0.5 retracement on April 30th, but it managed to break the resistance this time. So the next retracement zone at 10551.29 might now act as resistance. Now let's draw another fib retracement from the high of April 30th, which is at 9889.05, and the low of May 18th, which is at 8806.75, to identify the possible retracement zones. We can see that the 1.618 retracement is at 10557.91. Now let's go to the monthly timeline and identify the support and resistance zones. We can see that we are right at the resistance zone and the support zone is at the 8800 8900 levels. Now let's go to the weekly timeline. We can see that we are right at the resistance zone and the next resistance zone is at the 10,600 10,700 levels. Now let's go back to the monthly timeline and draw the rising trend line and see how it shows up on the daily timeline. The rising trend line acted as a support on numerous occasions, but was breached on March 16th. Thereafter, it acted as a resistance on at least two occasions, once on April 29th and second on May 15th. Nifty has now successfully pierced through it, and to any down move, it might now act as resistance. So from this entire discussion, we can conclude that in the short term, Nifty might find support at 9500 9600 levels and then at 8800 8900 levels and resistance at the current levels and then at 10,500 to 10,700 levels. Also, the setup is nicely balanced with a little bias towards the bears. That is, the risk reward favors the bears than the bulls. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.